this would still be the vertical flowers, and I'm still going between overhand here, underhand here, and then this is my left turn. Poilates for this one is weird, right? Because you're ending in a neutral position. This and this is neutral, but there is the open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. This is for the underhand. And then this would be for the overhand, where you open and then close, open, close. Or right back, then neutral, left back, then neutral, right back, then neutral. Or underhand, right back, then neutral, left back, then neutral, right back. The 2-petal flower in overhand, the vertical one, and we'll go a bunch of these until it seems like we're warmed up. Remembering that in between the petals at the top and the bottom, you want to do a full extension instead of accidentally doing this where you're sliding your hands. You want to extend all the way around, extend all the way around, extend all the way around, extend all the way around. And then we'll do 5 more, and 4 more, 3 more, last 2, and last 1. And remember also in this underhand to do that full extension between the placement of the petals at the top and the bottom. And then let's do 5 more, and 4 more, 3 more, and then last 2, and last 1. The footwork for the left turn, I would normally do a paddle step to the left where you're pivoting on your left foot like this and then moving like this, but then instead of doing this thing I'm doing right here where I'm stepping in front of my center, I would push off with my right foot like this rather than shifting the weight forward. Carnival ride on a carousel where you have like a, yes, I am a unicorn. I'm a unicorn on a carousel. Do the drill where we have the right hand up and the left hand down. And now the left foot is turned out. The right toe is ready to push us off. We're gonna pivot to the left, come to underhand, and then when we come to underhand, the left will be up and the right will be down. We're gonna step the right foot forward so that we can push off, but just use the ball of your foot, pivot, turn, come back to your overhand, step your right foot forward, then you're gonna turn to your left, you're gonna pivot and turn, step your right foot forward, and then you're gonna pivot and turn back to overhand, step your foot forward, pivot, turn, 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 step. So if you're starting in the 2-petal, you turn out to your left as if you're gonna make that left hand turn. And then when the right one's on top, so not this next time, but this next time now, we're gonna turn to the left and come out underhand and then just continue in that underhand flower. Then we're gonna line ourselves up as if we're ready to turn. And then from here, from this underhand, we're gonna do the same thing. Turn out the foot, and then when the left is on top, so not this one, but this next one, we're gonna turn back to overhand. Now I recommend you track one hand specifically because you want to keep it in split time to maintain the timing of the turn correctly. So either focus on your right or your left. Let's say we're focusing on our left because we're doing a left turn. When the left is at the bottom in overhand, we turn to underhand. And then when the left is at the top in underhand, we're going to turn back to overhand like that. So not this one, but this next one turn, and then not this one, but this next one turn, and then not this one, but this next one turn, and then not this one, but this next one turn. And then when you get it comfortably, you'll just be doing this. All you do is